So I just got done cooking my hamburgers. Took all 3 patties off. And I have a pan full of sludge, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to render this tallow. I have my burner still on 4. Let's see if I can turn this here. Burner still on 4. And I'm just going to let it simmer with the lid off for about 10 minutes. But during that 10 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes, I'm going to be scraping the beef that's still remaining and the water that's still remaining. I'm just kind of moving it around. And what I'm basically doing is deep frying the existing fat that, or the existing beef chunks, the protein. And once all the protein's caramelized, it'll stick together off to one side of the pan. And so I'll just keep doing this for a little bit, watching it. All the water evaporates, all the proteins condense into one giant ball of goo, and then all that's left is the rendered tallow. So I'm going to let that cook for about 5 to 10 minutes. As you can see, we're about, I don't know, about 3 minutes in, maybe. But all the protein is starting to caramelize. And what I'll end up doing is I'll scrape all that. While it's cooking, while it's deep frying, I'll try to keep it as thin as possible. And then once it's all caramelized, I'll kind of gather it all together off to the side of the pan. And all that will be left is the tallow. Yeah, all the water evaporated, so all that's left is just that little bit of protein and the tallow. And then when this cools, you can do this while the meat's still hot, or you can wait for it to cool. One side of the pan will have tallow, the other side will have the protein bits. But once it's cool, then you can scrape it off and concentrate the tallow if you want to. It's been about 5 minutes, and as you can see, it's just kind of congealed into a giant ball of goo. And then everything else just kind of gets pushed up to the side. And I can either let that cool or I can drain it off. In my case, I think I'm going to let it cool. I've already got a tub, but I want to save some of this for making soap. So I'll probably set it off to the side of the burner, and it'll pull to one area. So for me, this is how I typically store my rendered tallow. As you can see, there's still a bit of burnt chunks in there. If you stick it in the microwave and melt it all down, they sink to the bottom. But you can take this and render it into soap tallow if you want, or just use it as is for cooking eggs.